I mentioned during a wee talk earlier on about $50, which we picked up to the pictures as the lingo for Hauf Croon. So here's the real story about Hauf Croon to Kenny McRae.
Might read it instead. This is I was brought up in Forest until I was conscripted into the army, and when I came out of the army I didn't go back, ended up in Edinburgh. But anyway, this is a story about the new Hauf Croon. I was walking along Forest High Street and stopped and stared down at my feet. Couldn't believe my eyes. Was it true? There it was at the toe of my shoe. A second glance and I looked down at my left foot, a shiny Hauf Croon. A bright Hauf Croon I found. I picked it up quick for the ground. With his fortune clutched in my hand, I was the richest laddie in the land. Legs running swiftly and near to drop, I made my way to Mrs. Duncan's shop. Opened the door, it rang a bell. I stepped inside. What a smell! The strong smell of paraffin and creosote. It's so strong it catches my throat. The shop itself was a bit rough. Stuck all room was all kinds of stuff. There was carrots, tatties, onions, neeps in a sack, hanging up, doing puddings, mealy, white and black. On every shelf there was just no space. Lost my place. Things were all mixed up in that place. There's no things mixed up. Cotton reels, moose traps, coloured dyes, and buzzing round the boot was hundreds of flies. There was kindling for lighting the fire, but there's the things I most desire. All kinds of sweeties in glass jars, boxes of chocolates and toffee bars, gobstoppers, penny chews, cherry lips, berwick cockles, and chocolate walnut whips. I come into the promised land with a new Hauf Croon in my hand. I had been in this shop before with only a penny, never ever more. Now I hear Hauf Croon, I'm rich. Oh, to spend on sweets, but which? Sour plums, cinnamon ties, blackstrap boys, chocolate toffee, wine gums, sherbet straws, dolly mixtures, scented satins, violins, lollipops, pralines, licorice sticks, and granny's pan drops. Looking at them all and making up my mind. What will I get? What's the best kind? The decision I'm getting some thought, but a forest sweetie, a hay book, I think. Maybe it's been dropped by a poor soul, or maybe a husband on the dole. I walked out of that sweetie wonderland with the Hauf Croon still in my hand, and with great determination I went into the police station. The desk sergeant, he praised on me and commended me on my honesty, with my head held high and a recht true loon. That praise made to me than your Hauf Croon. In my mouth I had nae gobstopper. I got mere satisfaction with a single copper.